In these hard times and very, very risky period in the Nigerian economic history, there are still a lot of economic investments you can make in order to succeed in the country. We know that investment strategies can vary depending on factors like tolerance, financial goals, and market conditions. But if you follow some of these suggestions, you might see yourself succeeding in the long term in Nigeria. So here are 10 investment strategies that can potentially succeed in Nigeria. Number one, equity investment. Investing in Nigerian stocks can offer high returns over long term. Companies that are listed in Nigerian Stock Exchange represent various sectors such as banking, consumer goods, oil and gas, and telecommunications can help you recoup your investment over a long period. The next, number two, is investments in real estate. Nigeria has a growing real estate market, particularly in urban areas like Lagos, Abuja, Kano, Enugu, and some other important cities. So, investing in residential or commercial properties can provide rental income and capital appreciation. You can as well try investing in building of shops in the various markets and maybe important strategic areas where people do businesses. The number four is agriculture. Number three is agriculture. Nigeria has a large agricultural sector with opportunities in crop farming, livestock, and agribusinesses. So investing in agriculture can be very, very profitable due to the country's fertile land and growing population, and also vast land that exists in the country, especially in the northern side. So if you are looking for an area to invest over a long period, you can invest in agriculture because Nigeria has huge demands for food. It has a teeming, growing population which should be fed. So, if you can venture into agriculture, that would be a very good one to follow. Number four is government bonds. Nigerian government bonds, such as federal government savings bonds and treasury bills, offer relatively low risk investment options with fixed interest rates. They provide steady income and are backed by government. Even though that we know that the government policies are no longer stable these days, but if you invest with the mindset of recouping over a long time, you might not be on the losing side. The number five is mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets, including stocks, bonds, and money market instruments. Nigerian mutual bonds provide professional management and diversification benefits. So, if you have the opportunity, put your money in mutual bonds and you may see yourself recouping over some time. Then we have cryptocurrency. There is a growth in the cryptocurrency industry. So, cryptocurrency investments such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained popularity in Nigeria due to factors like currency devaluation, limited access to traditional banking services. So, however, they carry high risk and require careful consideration. So, if you want to invest, especially for small and medium enterprises, you have to be very careful when you invest your money in cryptocurrency because it's very volatile and carries high rate of risk. The number six you have to consider is small and medium enterprises. Investing in Nigerian small and medium enterprises can be lucrative, especially in sectors like technology, manufacturing, and services. Supporting local businesses can lead to significant returns and job creation. Number seven, you should consider investing in foreign exchange trading. That is forex. We know that over the years, a lot of people have been talking about forex, but it depends on how you calculate. And if you have a good idea of how the forex market works, you can actually benefit from it. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies in foreign exchange markets. While it offers opportunities for profits, it also carries high risk due to market volatility and geopolitical factors. So you have to actually think very properly before you go into forex, but it's something that can be very beneficial. Then we have investment in infrastructural development. Nigeria's infrastructure sector offers investment opportunities in areas like transportation, energy, telecommunications, and utilities. So, public private partnership and infrastructure funds can facilitate investment in large scale projects. So, if you have money, you can invest in some of this. You can actually, this is for large scale investment investors, those who have the funds. You can actually start construction companies and some of this because Nigeria is in need of huge infrastructural investment, and the government is one of the areas they never overlook once they get into power. Now, the next is education and training. That's number nine. Investing in education and training programs can yield long-term benefits by enhancing human capital and workforce productivity. So opportunities exist in sectors like vocational training, online education, and skill education initiatives. So if you are able to have an establishment that actually teach people certain skills, technology must not be like the formal education that we know, like primary, secondary, university, or something. You can go into these skill acquisition centers and establish institutions that can teach people these skills, then that will be beneficial. But before implementing any investment strategy, it's essential to conduct thorough research, seek professional advice, and consider factors like market dynamics, regulatory environment, economic conditions specific to Nigeria. So diversification across different asset classes and risk management are also crucial for building a robust investment portfolio. The last but not the least is always try to be creative. You can actually invest in yourself by making sure that you learn one skill or the other. That is the best investment you can do for yourself. By the time you develop a particular skill, and you can actually use it to leverage on it to build yourself from bottom up. Skills like how to make clothes, how to make shoes, how to make hairs, how to make different kinds of things that you can learn, how to even bake. There are a lot of things that are in high demand, so learning any of these skills is also part of an investment in yourself, and that one nobody can take it away from you. So by the time you start small, you will see yourself growing and getting bigger in the future. Do you like our videos? Please, we humbly ask that you subscribe to my YouTube channel on Talking Points Arena. You can as well subscribe to my Facebook page, the same name, Talking Points Arena. We are all across various social media. We have the Instagram and the TikTok, all with the same name, Talking Points Arena. That is a way that you help the growth of this family and this community. Please subscribe, comment, and like for more videos like this. Thank you very much.